Hey guys, Purple Plaza here, back again with another epic food review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Hostess unicorn cake. I already opened it and it smells tasty. Pretty sugary like everything else that they make, I guess. So I'm just going to dive right into this. I think it's some pretty good stuff. Just it's actually pretty good. It's this really weird crunch. Hello? What package?
Here's your package.
You ordered it.
You ordered it?
Oh, okay. Makes sense, I guess. Can I
How's
finish
the
my
food?
food review? It's pretty
How'd
good. You
you
want to
like
bite?
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm COVID vaccinated for real, guys.
Pretty good.
All right, so we got the box here. There's a face. I don't know how well you can see that. Can you see that? I guess. Yeah. Okay. There's a face inscribed on the front. It's pretty cool, I guess. So do you know who sent me this box?
I don't know. I just got the package. I'm just the delivery.
Just the delivery.
Whoever it
guy.
was is probably gay. Anyway.
It's probably gay. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Let's open this box and what the?
What is that
It
even?
says a no you card. It's an in reverse. I think I've just been damned. I think I've just been damned. Right. I really don't know what this means.
Wait, hold up. So does that mean that I'm the gay one?
I think that's what it's insinuating.
Sexist evidentemente, medical sexist evidentemente,
Bro, get away!
sexist.
Oh no! Oh my God! He killed that man.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no! They're protein. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, hey, it's the detective. What are you doing out here? Are you a demon too?
Yeah.
You're just making that noise?
Yeah.
Look what you've unleashed upon the world.
I don't know. Wait. I don't sex and drugs. You too.
Attack dog. Hey, Mr. Detective guy, I think that we're gonna have to wrap him up. He's dead. Oh, that's all right, that's not good, probably. Oh crap! They're all dudes. Hello? Oh, all right. Hopefully this works. Oh my God!
I condemn you to mammon.
No, you.
Where am I? What's my name?
I don't know. I used the Uno reverse card and he looks like he
I need a
killed-
name. What's my name?
like Gee Butter Snaps.
Give Butter Snaps.
Yeah.
That's a shitty name.
Hey, no, it's okay. You
What
can
happened
join.
here?
These demons died. I think.
Oh
Okay,
my
he's
God.
dead now.
Oh my God, what happened? We need to go now. We need to go.
We do. Hey, do you think that maybe someday the demon that inhabited that guy will go away and then they'll buy the place?
It may never go away.
Okay, makes sense.
Now, we move on.
Okay.
But I don't know where.
Yo.